Thank you so much. Hello everyone, Richard Polar today at BAM's Orientation. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to join the Google Classroom. I'm also going to show you what are the other features that you can see in the Google Classroom. To see what's included in this video, just take a look at the right side of the screen. Now let's just start with how to access Google Classroom, and there are a few different ways to do this. First, you have to of course open Google Chrome and sign in to Google using your institutional Gmail account. You see, if you logged in the Google Chrome, you don't have to log in your Gmail account because it will get you to the same place. But if it's easier for you to use your Gmail account, you can do so. By the way, there are two versions in which you can access the Google Classroom, the computer version and the smartphone version. For the computer version, there are three ways to join the Google Classroom. The first one is you can copy the link of the Google Classroom given by your teacher and paste it in the URL bar and then click enter. Now it will get you directly to Google Classroom and you just have to click join class. And now you're finally inside the Google Classroom. Here you can see classwork, people, and stream. If you click stream, this is where you can see the posts of your teachers and your classmates. To see other classrooms, you can click these three little vertical lines on the upper left corner. You can also scroll down to see what other classrooms you have. You can click your picture on the upper right corner if you want to manage your account. If you want to see some other Google apps, you can click the Google Launch, these 9 little squares on the upper right corner. So that was the first step. Now, the second step to join the Google Classroom is to copy the Google Classroom code. After copying the code, go to Google App Launcher and click the Google Classroom app. To join the classroom, click the plus button on the upper right and click Join Class. As what I've said, copy the classroom code and paste it in the class code box. Now, click the blue Join button at the right upper corner to join the classroom. And you're finally in the classroom. If you want to see the class learning materials, click Classwork. And if you want to see your classmates, click People. So that's all for the second step. Now let's go to the last step, which is the third step. The other way to join the Google Classroom is to click the link provided by your teacher, where you can find the link. Your teacher may send the link to you directly in your Facebook Messenger or in the class group chat. Once you've clicked the link, it will get you directly to the Google Classroom app. Now, click Join Class to enter the classroom. And finally, you're inside the classroom. So we're done with the steps on how to join the Google Classroom. And for the last part of this video, I'm going to show you the steps on how to submit your outputs in the Google Classroom. This is very important, so make sure to listen carefully. To submit your outputs, go to Classwork and click the activity or worksheet where you want to submit your work. Now, view assignment. On the right side, you can see your work. To submit, click the Add or Create button and upload the file from your computer. By the way, you can upload documents, Excels, videos, and images too. When it's done uploading, click Turn In button. There will be a confirmation. Click the Turn In button again to confirm your attempt. If you want to change the file that you've uploaded, you can unsubmit it by clicking the Unsubmit button. For the smartphone version, you can go to the Google Classroom by clicking the link from your class Facebook Messenger group chat. There is also an option, and you can choose to open it with the Google Classroom app. Now you're in the classroom. Click Classwork button below. Click the activity or worksheet. Now, click Add Work and upload the file in your smartphone. Once it is uploaded, click Hand In button to hand in the file. So that's all for submitting your outputs for the smartphone version. I hope that you've learned a lot. So this has been a basic review to get you started using Google Classroom. I hope you're able to see all the possibilities that you can do. This works great. It can work with the mobile app. Everything works the same. You'll get notifications in every activities and it works smoothly. I hope you'll be able to use Google Classroom efficiently and effectively.